Hello everyone, this printer is Epson WF-2950 series. I want to show you how to reset this printer to a factory default setting. Use right arrow button, go to the settings, select OK to the settings, then scroll down all the way to restore default settings. Restore default settings, select OK. It will show you network. So if you want to reset only the network, then you select network settings. If you want to reset only copy settings, then you select copy settings. If you want to reset scan settings, then you select scan settings. If you want to reset fax settings, select fax settings. If you scroll down, select clear all data and settings for you to reset the printer to default. Select OK to clear all data. Clear all data and restore default settings. It may take several minutes. Continue yes or no. Scroll to the right and select yes. Restoring default settings. Please wait. Completed. Settings restored. So the printer is no longer connected to a network. If you go to the home page, if you look on the Wi-Fi icon, the Wi-Fi icon is blank. If you connect the printer to Wi-Fi network or Wi-Fi direct, this Wi-Fi image will highlight blue. So this is how to reset the printer to a network default setting. If you switch the printer off, select OK. So the printer is switched off. Then if you switch the printer on, then it will show you for you to select the language to set the printer up again. So this is how to reset the printer to default setting. Thank you very much indeed.